Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So welcome to my next lecture, grade 6, chapter 3, topic fiber to fabric. So today we will discuss about the rest part of the chapter, which is jute production. Okay, so let's start. As I told you, jute is a bast fiber which is obtained from stem of the jute plant. And jute is also known as golden fiber. Why? Because of its golden and silky shine appearance. And jute plant grow well in the warm and humid climate, and it mostly grow in the clay and alluvial soil. In India, jute is cultivated mainly in the West Bengal, Bihar and Assam, and Bangladesh is a main exporter of the jute. This point I told you. So in the jute production we will discuss these points step by step. Okay, so let's start. First point is the jute plants do not have branches. There are no branches in the jute plant. And can you imagine, the jute plants grow up to 10 feet in height. Second point, jute plants are harvested at stage of the flowering. When the flowers will come, then jute plant will cut or harvested. In third point, jute fiber is glued to jute plant stem by sticky substance. With the help of sticky substance, they glued, and the sticky substance has to removed to get the fiber. ओके उनको रिमूव किया जाता है फाइबर्स को एक्सट्रैक्ट करने के लिए. द बंडल ऑफ द जूट स्टेम आर इमर्ज इन द वाटर. उनको पानी में इमर्ज किया जाता है एंड अलाउड टू रोट. इससे क्या होगा? दिस कॉज द लूजनिंग ऑफ द जूट फाइबर. जूट फाइबर की लूजनिंग हो जाएगी और दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज अ रेटिंग. एंड द रेटिंग इज फास्टर इन द स्टेगनेंट वाटर देन इन द फ्लोटिंग वाटर. स्टेगनेंट वाटर में रेटिंग बहुत अच्छे से होती है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द फ्लोइंग वाटर. बहुत जल्दी होती है स्टेगनेंट वाटर में. नेक्स्ट इज द जूट फाइबर आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम द स्टेम बाय हैंड. जूट फाइबर्स को हम सेपरेट करते हैं हैंड से. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट और लास्ट पॉइंट इज द जूट फाइबर आर देन वॉश्ड एंड अलाउड टू ड्राई. फिर हम उन्हें वॉश कर लेते हैं और फिर ड्राई करने के लिए रख देते हैं. नाउ अदर यूजफुल प्लांट फाइबर. देयर आर few more plant fibers. For example, flax, coir, kapok. Okay, flax is basically obtained from stem of the plant, which is known as common flax or linseed. And flax crop is mainly cultivated in the cooler region of the world. And you know, flax fiber is used to make lining, that is used to make bed sheets, tablecloths, table cover. Okay, and coir, the fiber obtained from the dry husk of the coconut, and the covering of that coconut is called coir, which is used to make ropes, doormat, carpets and handbags. And it is also used in filling sofa seats and for making coir foam mattresses. Kapok. Kapok is a cotton-like fiber which is obtained from seed pods of a tree, which is known as kapok. It is also called silk cotton. Why? Because of its luxurious, silky, smooth texture. And the process of harvesting and separating the fiber is labor intensive. So due to its light weight, kapok is used as filling in mattresses, pillows, stuffed toys. Okay, these are the other useful plant fiber which I told you. Now fiber to fabric. Fibers are not directly converted into the fabric or cloth. Firstly, it is converted into yarn and thread, then it is woven together into the fabric. And a yarn, a long continuous length of interlocked fiber. And the strength of और strand of the fiber are brought closer to each other by twisting. उन strands को पास में लाया जाता है twisting से, और twist impart strength to the fiber. वो strength डालती है fiber strands में, which in then termed as yarn. फिर जिसको हम क्या कह देते हैं, yarn कह देते हैं. Okay. So with this slide, your chapter 3 fiber to fabric has completed. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me. In the next chapter we will discuss next lecture. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, be happy, and thank you.